I'd like to do a demonstration of the Steinel heat gun. This is used for tent and sidewall repair in the field. The gun has several features. It has a 3-speed fan adjustment as well as heat adjustment from 0 to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. We suggest you use for the 18-ounce vinyl an 800 degree setting. Every material and environment is different. We're going to begin by demonstrating a simple repair on a hole in a tent top, just using a 2-inch round patch. Included in the kit is a Teflon coated roller. You hold the patch in place, apply the heat, and roll the patch on. This eliminates the need for any type of glue. Once cooled, the patch stays in place.